Hello there everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about a tool which can be very useful for you during these times that you're working at home or you're working with your digital team. It's called Trello, and Trello is a project management tool. So when you say project management, it's basically a tool that you use to keep track your team's productivity and basically break down a big group of tasks into something that you can break down or you can monitor closely so that you don't miss a deadline. Okay, so the tool I've been using for this task is Trello, and it's one of the project management softwares out there. There are other tools out there as well, like Asana and Scrum, but for me, I like Trello more because it's simple and easy to use. So let's go ahead and dive into the tutorial. So there's if you're using a Windows PC or even I'm not sure in Mac, but for Windows there's an app. You just go to the Microsoft Windows Store and you can download the Trello app there, or you can just go to Google website and then type in Trello.com. It'll open up the interface there, and you can sign in either through your Google account or your Facebook account. So here we got the Trello app, so just click on continue, and then let's log in. Just waiting for it to log in. Yep. Here's my personal Google account. It's asking me for a 6-digit code. You have two-factor authentication. Normally it does that. It's just a way to make sure that it's secure. Let me skip to code here. Please click allow. And let's just wait for it to load up. It's taking a while. Okay, here we go. We got logged in. So there's a number of boards that we have here. So in Trello we call the big we have what we call boards, and then list, and then cards. So a project is a board. So let's say for example you're going to have a new project, so you're going to need to create a board. So you click on the plus sign here, and you can create a board. Alright, so let's try project management 101. Alright, so you can assign it. If you have a team, you can assign it. You can also assign it here if it's going to be a private board, or is it visible to your team. So if it's visible to your team, if you have a team, they're the only people who can see the board. If it's public, it's usually available for everyone. So anyone who has a Trello account, they can check on your board and you can use it or copy it, right? And you have also the customization feature here, just so you can choose a background. It's just the fluffer. So you want, let's try this scene here. Okay, here we go. Alright, so once you've created your board, you're already set up here. Alright, so again, so this is the board, right? The next one will be your list, right? So the list basically holds all the tasks that we want to monitor, right? It's just loading up my kind of slow internet connection right now. That's why it's taking some time to load up. It's a web-based application, so we're just waiting for it to completely load up. So while waiting for this to load up, I'm just gonna go around and go over here. So you can also add some stickers here. Basically stickers, you're just and just to add some design to your board. Right? Butler is an add-on. So Butler allows you to automate cards. There's also other power-ups here. We'll go ahead and check on that later on. So there's settings here and labels, so you can put colors to the label so that you don't you're a little more organized, and you can archive items. And then email to board settings, right? So you can find here. Rules here. So this is Butler, right? So Butler says this is your automation system, right? So you can put in your rules here. Right? So there are some examples. So the hardest way in list to do by me add the steps checklist. Right? It basically just automates some of the stuff that you want to do most of the time. We're just gonna try and make it as simple as possible for this tutorial for the minute, just so you can get your Trello board up and running. Okay, so now that you have a board, the next thing you need is your list. So the list holds basically all the tasks that you have. So the normal productivity workflow that I use would be the Kanban method. And the way the Kanban method, it's a Japanese, if I remember it correct, it's a Japanese workflow. So they just group tasks first, and then you move it to a category as you move along tasks. So what I would do here is I would put here done. Okay, we can move that here. And then to do and do it. There you go. So just set it up here. Okay. So what I do with my Trello board, and there's a lot of ways that you can customize this depending on how you manage your projects. Right? Again, this is the most simple thing that I do, just so you can also use your Trello board to start tracking your tasks. So what I do here is, let's say for example, I have a list for things that I need to do, And I also have a list for things that I'm doing, and then a list for things that are already done. Okay. So for example, I need to do a weekly content plan. Right. And then you can put you can assign members there. If you have a team already, you can assign a member there. You have to add them to the board so that you can assign that member there. And you can edit labels here. So let's say if it's an urgent task, you can rename that as urgent, right? Urgent, right? And you can say that this is done weekly. It's up to you basically. The labels are just there to make it more organized for you. Okay. And then let's say create YouTube videos. Create lead magnets. What's one of the ways that you can use your Trello board? Okay, so this is the list. So these are the things that I need to do now. Okay, and once I'm or if I'm already doing it, you can put it here and do it. Alright, and now you can set them up in your list. Right, so that way you know if there's still stuff that you need to do, and then what are the things that we're doing right now, who's working on them, and what's the deadline. You can actually add a deadline here, right there. You can put a due date here and say it's due on the 30th, right? And then you can copy this if you need to do this for this week. Say 4. Copy that. Start doing this, and that's how you do it. Okay. Alright, so that's it. So again, that's board, the list, and the cards. So that's just simple tutorial for Trello. You can check that here. Then a butler is something you might want to study further if you want to specialize in Trello. But that's basically how I use my Trello board, right? So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching the tutorial. Hope you learned something from this. And if you liked it, please do give a like, a thumbs up, and if not, then just give me the feedback in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you get notifications on the latest videos on the channel. Alright, so that's it for me guys. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.